My beloved brothers and sisters, indeed all praises are due to Allah, who is the creator of all creations. Peace be upon our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his companions. Dear audience, today I would like to talk about the power of dua in life. Dua is one of the most important tools a believer has. It's a direct connection between us and Allah. We do not need any barrier or a special time. Whenever we raised our hand, Allah listened to us. Dear audience, dua gives us hope when we feel hopeless. It gives us strength when we feel weak. Even when no one understands our pain, Allah understands everything. Dear audience, sometimes our du'as are not answered immediately, but we must remember Allah always responds in the best way. Either He gives us what we ask, or He gives us something better. So dear listeners, never stop making dua. Trust Allah, be patient, and believe in His plan. Thank you everyone.